Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I'm going to unbox Allure Beauty Box. This is a new box for my channel, so I'm excited to open it. So let's see what's inside. So this is what it looks like inside. It says hashtag Allure Beauty Box. So we have a little booklet. And it has some of the, I guess it has a list of everything that's in here. So a little sneak peek, there we go. Okay, so it has that list of everything that's in there. And then we have this coupon for Bobble Bar. It's a $20 gift toward your full priced order, a Bobble Bar. That's cool. And let's see, so then it looks like this. And right here we have, this is called SGX NYC Salon Graphics, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, refresh, and hold dry shampoo meets hairspray. So that's that right there. Let me see if there is a value in here for this. Okay, it is on the back. I don't see a value on here, but this is the ad that's on the back of the booklet. Just to do it all. Texturize, volume, and refresh. Okay, cool. And this is a 1 ounce. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's see what it smells like. It doesn't smell too strong. It smells a little bit like hairspray, but not way too strong. Okay, next we have this clear green bag. Super fun for summer. I like it. So this is really nice. Okay, open this. And the first thing I grabbed was this Moroccan oil treatment. This is, the regular price for this is $44, and this is good for all hair types. It's silicone-based oil, and this is good to help with those flyaways and the frizz. So this is really nice. It smells very coconutty. I've used this before. It's really nice. Let's see what else is in here. All right, this is Evenet, if I'm pronouncing it right. This is a thermal spring water soothing softening spray, a hydrating facial mist, and the price for this is $18.50. And there is actually a promo code on here for if you want to purchase this on the website. Let's try this. I love hydrating mist. They just feel so fresh, especially right now in the summer. I think the heat index today was 112. So this is really nice just to freshen up, like maybe in the midday or after work before you get home with the kiddos. So this is really nice. So let's try it. I like it. It's nice. It's a nice, cool mist. I have a few of these, but in different brands. Okay, next we have this Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream, and a regular price for this is $35, and there's also a promo code on here if you purchase it. This is cool. I love eye creams, and vitamin C, of course, is really good for your skin, so let's try this out. All right, nice texture. Very, very thin, very sheer. No smell at all. Not sticky. I'm pretty sure you probably don't put a lot of this on. Let's see. It doesn't have directions on here, but possibly in here. Well, this is that. And this is, it's a 0.5 fluid ounces for this. Okay, next thing we have is this floss. Let's see what this is. Floss, my favorite new lip gloss. A regular price for this is $16, and so that's that. And also there is a coupon in here too. That's pretty cool. I like that they provide coupons for some of these products. So let's open this up. This is what it looks like inside. Clear, matches the bag. All right. This is what it looks like. So let's try this one. It smells good. Doesn't go on a lot. It's not sticky. It smells good. It doesn't really seem too shiny to me, but I don't know. I'll put a little bit more on later. Okay, there's one more thing in here. Let's see if I can get this open. This is the Brow Gal Eyebrow Pencil. A lot of brow pencils are so creamy they can look fake. Not this one. It has a perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness. And the regular price for this is $23. And I imagine this is the regular size and price. This is by Tanya Crooks, medium brown. Let's see. So this is the tip. Let's try it out. Medium brown, probably my color. And then it has like a sharpener up here. So that's neat, that has a sharpener on top. And let's see what's on this side. And then on this side is a little spoolie to brush up your brows. Cool, I like that, it's nice. Okay, so those are the 5 products that I got with my Allure box. I really lucked out this month because, well, I got the 5 products, the Context Eye Cream, the Moroccan Oil, we have the Floss Lip Gloss, and then this lovely hydrating mist. And then plus we got a bonus with this texturing spray. And my favorite part about this is that I got a free Sunday Riley CEO Glow full size, and I can't remember the price for this, but I know it's like nearly $100 for this. And I currently use this. I got it in my Sunday Riley box this spring, and it is just awesome. Like, this oil is like the best for your skin. I love it. It goes on so smooth. I'm gonna just use it on my hands. It goes on so smooth on your skin, and you could just feel it like hydrating your skin. So this was a special when I joined Allure. This was like the promo. When you join today, you get a free Sunday Riley. So I'm not sure if the promo is still going on, but I hope it is for you. If you haven't bought Allure yet, I'll go ahead and leave my referral link below, and we'll see what promo is going on right now. Well, that's it. I am actually really happy that I ordered the Allure Beauty Box. I liked all the products that I got today, and I think they're going to be all very useful. I especially love the promo with the Sunday Riley. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and help me grow in my unboxing journey. And if you'd like to leave a comment below, go ahead and let me know which product was your favorite. Thank you. Bye.